What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Samuel, financial market analyst. Today shall be looking at how to identify the strength of a trend with the help of price action strategy. Now, we are looking at Australian dollar versus Swedish krona on the 4 hours time frame. Now, let's start by drawing the support and resistance levels or zones. Okay, we have a resistance here that was previously support. Nice. Let's draw a trend line here. Nice. To identify the strength of a trend, first and foremost, you need to identify a trend. And we can clearly see that this is a downtrend as the market was making lower lows and lower highs than the previous low and high. Number two, swing high and swing low tells you the direction of a trend. This is swing high, swing low, swing high, swing low, swing high, swing low, and so on and so forth. And each swing high and swing low are lower than the previous swing high and low. Number three, trending and retracement moves shows you the strength and weakness of a trend. And I'll show you here what I mean in a moment. And lastly, candlestick bodies should be larger on trending move than retracement move. Now, this is trending move. This is trending move. This is trending move. And this one, this is retracement. This is retracement. This is retracement. Now, candlestick bodies should be larger on trending moves than retracement moves, like this one, this big red candles. This is trending move. And retracement move, candles on retracement move should be smaller in size, smaller bodies. That shows the strength of a trend. And because large candles are on the trending move, we are on a strong downtrend. And when all these conditions are met, we can confirm that this is a strong downtrend. I hope this works for you. That's all I got. Catch you guys next time.